It's been good. It's been okay. Uh, so I don't know if the people on YouTube see me now. If you don't see me, then I don't know. I don't know what's wrong with this thing. I'm going to have to close it and maybe fix it up and come live tomorrow. I wanted to show you this Pandora thing because I read some news article today on the blog, and the news article was that ERC 404 token plummets, and that is what I like to hear. Coin has dumped. I know that there is opportunity. And this is something I want to teach you guys. If you hear that any coin has plummeted, think of opportunity. It's opportunity because you get to buy the bottom. And I will show you how you buy that bottom. I will make a tutorial video on Fibonacci. I think that's what I should do tomorrow instead, rather than just going live. I think that's what I will do. If I go live and I show you live, it will take a very long time, and anybody who wants to watch the video later, it will be a very long time for that person. So I don't know, is everybody on? Has been said because of the music, but the music is not so loud now, is it? Any money making? Okay, so we're live now on YouTube, yeah? You guys can see me on YouTube and everything is good. Yeah, cool. So, yeah, this is Stratos. I think this thing will continue going to the upside. My whole thesis on it was that it's going to go to somewhere around $2. The next target for it, I'm just doing this analysis for you. I honestly do not need it. This to me is a long-term project. ICP does not provide me with the same. The video is buffering, the audio is fine. So yeah. I don't know what's wrong with this thing. So yeah, that's the issue with ICP. It doesn't really provide me with that good opportunity that I want. Stratos is the only layer one that provides me with that opportunity. So hence why I'm in it. For now, I think that thing can go as high as $2, as high as $2, and that's like the maximum that I can see in the midterm, like the very near term. That's the maximum. It has to confirm the $1.10 to $1.20 as support before we can expect it to rally hard. If it can't confirm that as support, then we will most likely be seeing a very big rally coming for that thing. That could be 6.5. I got some stores at 75. The stores that I got is 28% in a profit right now. I gave you this call on Twitter. If you're not following me on Twitter, then I don't know what you want, or on the Discord or on Telegram. I don't know what you want. So I was looking at this thing. This is what I wanted to show to the YouTube people. I was looking at this Pandora thing. It's on Bing X. This thing could be an interesting play, actually. It could be an interesting play. The price is 20,000. But of course you don't have to buy one, yeah? It could be an interesting play. If we can see it dump back to somewhere around, let me bring this up to if we can see it dump back to somewhere around simple Fibonacci's, this one is simple, this one should be very simple. Let me bring this up for you guys here as well. So if you can see it dump back to somewhere around here, you just take the regular Fibonacci tool from here, from this low to the high. No, that's from high to low instead. From this low right here to the high, like so. The only place that you want to buy would be either the 0.5, and in this case, the reason why I say 0.5 is because it is above this high right here. I will explain this in my Fibonacci video. So, but usually I would be targeting the 0.618 or the 0.786 right here. However, when you see this first high right here below the 0.5, that could be a potential bounce zone for that thing. But anyway, I don't know. I honestly do not know if I should get into this. I'm still thinking about it. I don't know. What do you guys think about this ERC 404 tokens? What do you guys think about it? A lot of people are talking about it. That's why I am, looking at it. And I saw this news here on the block. It has some news about it. They were saying that developers are doing something, that these developers are merging the what the ERC20 tokens. No, it's somewhere on here. So it's here. It's actually here. Yes, ERC 404 token price dip as rival implementation approaches. So when I hear about something like so deep, I go to investigate it and see if that could be its bottom. So meanwhile, everybody will be like, oh, it's going down, it's done, it's over. I go to investigate it, and that's what you should also do. Never listen to the news. The news does not, they don't know what they're talking about. They don't know. You will know more than them. Believe me. And when you hear that, hey, Bitcoin approaches 50K as investors are buying, Wall Street, they are going to be buying this, that could be the top. So you have to think contrary to what the news says. You have to think contrary. When Bitcoin dips, they'll be like, Bitcoin dumps massively as investors run in fear of the SEC. That's what you should investigate. That could be the bottom. Bitcoin rallies to 50K, rallies to 100K as investors get euphoric. That could be the top. So you have to think opposite to what they knew. Go to your chart and you investigate this position right here. Now, what I found interesting is what, you guys would know when you see a move to the upside like so, you want to be looking for a retracement back to the 0.786 FIB level. Now, I don't know if that's particularly the 0.786, but yeah, it was very close to it. So you see the 0.786 FIB level right here, and this was the institutional zone where this thing would usually go to the upside. It does mean that it can still come as low as that particular level, by the way. However, it could have found its bottom by this bottoming tail right here. So if I can't see some type of thing like so, I may be considering getting in on it. But for now, I have not. If you are not in the Telegram channel, do, what are you guys saying? Please check Neon. I'll do that. So if you are not on the Telegram, in the Telegram channel, do so. The link is in the bio, or just check Understanding Crypto on Telegram. Understanding Crypto on Telegram. Just check that. Or Eve Crypto on Twitter. Eve Crypto on Twitter. Some people call me Herv. It's actually Eve. Eve is a French name. Yeah, Eve Crypto on Twitter. This. Or Understanding Crypto on YouTube. You should be on these platforms because I was also looking at this loaf thing. This is on Solana. This loaf coin. I don't know what its market cap is. I've seen it on Twitter. Let's see. But it's a meme coin, by the way. This is where you go to gamble, and if you make money, you make money. If you don't make money, you don't make money. Big fan review Cello. You mean I should look at the Cello thing? Let's look at this thing's chart. I've seen it a lot on Twitter. Some people talking about it. This is not super bullish. This type of structure like so, it's not super bullish. But it's not bad. It means that people are buying dips. That's the meaning of this. I would like to see it break down and come back to this neckline right here. So let's write these things down. We have this will be that Pandora thing. And what's this? This is loaf. I've seen it a lot on Twitter. It's a meme coin on Solana. Could go to zero very easily. It doesn't seem to have a very big community though, which means the zero can really happen quick. So don't go and invest in any of these things. If I'm going to invest in them, I will let you know in the Telegram or Discord group. Don't go and put your money in any of them. What is this now? Okay, let's look at your coins before I go. All right, let's look at the first one right there. That was Neon. This thing will most likely still increase. Joe Biden posts laser eyes meme after Super Bowl. It means nothing. This shows the stupidity of the crypto space. This article. What the hell? Why would they even say something like this? It shows that we are basically investing and being hyped up over little things, you know? Like, this is literally rubbish. Why should we even have news like this? Anyway, first, let's look at... Oh, God, that Stos thing is going parabolic. I mean, Stos is up by... from my entry, that thing is currently up by 40%. I told you guys about this thing on Twitter. I brought it to you on YouTube. I did a full review on this thing when it was down here. A lot of people in the Stos group, they were hating on it, saying that, oh, somebody's selling now. The person was a fool. You know, people are going to sell. So we are now up by 40%. At least if 40% is a lot for you, then yeah. For this thing, yeah. You know, in other investments, 40% will be a lot. But for this particular one, doesn't mean much to me. Let's look at BTC. Then we go to your own private coins, private investments and stuff. Is this live gonna be saved on your YouTube channel so that I can watch it later? Of course, Kizzy. It's going to be saved. Yes. Okay. Mr. BTC is currently... What's BTC doing here? This thing looks like it will still move to the upside. And one of the reasons why I say that is because of this right here. This stochastic. Yeah, I think it will still move higher. Let's look at the daily stochastic. Man, bears are coping right now. A lot of bears are like, God, just crash. Just crash now. Why? Why do you think it should crash? Like, a lot of people want it to crash, you know? I saw some posts on Twitter from some people who wanted price to drop. Mina, thoughts on Mina for the long term. I will sell my Mina as it continues to rally. That thing goes above $2, I'm most likely going to sell. Yeah. Long term, it could do very well, but I will be selling that thing as it goes higher. Do you still believe in Luna? I bought lots back in the days when you mentioned. In what days are you talking about, my friend? Like, really, what days are you talking about? I talk about a lot of stuff, and you need to be following me on my platforms to stay up to date. You know, some people came the other day. It's not like some people. Some guys, about 2 people have asked me about Saito, something that I sold years ago, and I informed everybody. You know, but some people, you know, they don't follow in other platforms and stuff, so they don't know anything. Like 3 months ago, I made profits. You should be selling, my friend, because I do not hold Luna any longer. I did mention this in the Telegram, by the way. I made profits because of you. Then I recently bought it. What? Nav? Well, I don't know. I am not. You put $50,000 in that thing. Ooh. I think I should be careful with what I say on media because people are betting a lot of money on these coins. You know, I don't know. Let's see. Let's see what's going on with it since you put in a lot of money in it. Even I didn't put up to 50K on that thing. It's now at 35 cents. Let's see what's going to happen. Let's go on the 2 hourly. I still have my projection for that thing moving even higher. Let's see. Yes. let's see. Well, we could still have it come as high as this level right here. We've had this recovery, yeah? So this is what I was saying in my previous video with the inverted head and shoulders. This is a massive inverted head and shoulders. Now, if you put in a lot of money in this thing, if it does go up to here, you should be selling, my friend. You should be selling because there is no guarantee, yeah? There is no guarantee. If you're going to hold until 2025, well, somewhere around 39 cents, then you should be selling. Yeah, if it does go up to 39, you should be selling at that level. You could sell off maybe say 75% of your holdings and hold the rest as it goes even higher to somewhere around 42. This may be what I will do personally. I only put in. You must be very careful. If we do have a big rally, you should be selling. Okay, let's look at neon. Somebody talked about this thing. I would say that it moves back up actually. I would be on the idea that it goes higher and then we have the last move to the upside before a big drop. Let's see. Yeah, I would be on the idea that it goes higher and then we could potentially have a big drop from there. I think altcoins are going to do well in the next coming days. I did talk about Solana in my previous video, you know, and its ecosystem is going to do well. The likes of Jupe, this your neon thing could easily do. Let's use the 0.5 to be more accurate. 0.5. Yeah, easily, not easily, but it can do up to somewhere around 129%. Not saying that anybody should go and buy it. I will not buy this thing. I don't know it. Somebody just asked me to talk to see what its charts are saying. So here it is. Yeah, somebody also asked me some coin here in the channel on TikTok. I would be shedding on my way up and down. Do you really make money using that strategy? Iota. Let's look at Iota. Somebody asked me about Iota the other day and I think I charted that thing. Oof. This thing hit my exact level right here. Wow. I mean, I charted this, I don't know when I charted this. It was most likely a TikTok request. You can see how that thing rejected exactly in my zone of accumulation right here. So from that particular zone, that thing is up by 23%. This was most likely a TikTok, request. And by my idea, that thing can go as high as 155% from current price. That will be 107%. I think a lot of them are going to go up. A lot of these altcoins, they are going to do well. Now, Iota was an easy one because you can see the ABC correction that I talk about, yeah? ABC, A, B, and the C correction. So from here, we should that looks like this. Oh crap, this trading view thing. Okay, you could have something that looks like this. This could be your bull scenario. So this particular move back down here is like, that's a 45% drop. So it's just crazy to me when some people say, no, it's not possible, this is not possible, that is not possible. I just say, no, okay, you don't know anything. Okay. So yeah, that's it for Iota. So I think that thing can go as high as 53. No, not 50. Wait a minute. Yes, 53 cents. That was my analysis for it. To save all of us time, that was my previous analysis for it. And that is most likely what I would believe that is going to happen with this thing. I mean, you can see how it rejected exactly from my projected zone right here. So yeah, I think that could be the situation with the Iota thingy. What's the BTC analysis? Sorry, I just got in. Well, I'll probably do a short analysis video very soon and upload it to the YouTube channel for you. So for now, we do not really have any BTC analysis. Yeah, let's look at DOT. Somebody requested DOT, and I do hold DOT. Let's see. I think DOT can go as high as 11 to 12 to 14. Yeah, the last time I did it. Let's see what's happening with it. This will be AB equals to CD pattern, by the way. This is A, B, and C. So with DOT, let's see what will happen with this thing. If we have any hopes, by the way, all of them are overvalued. We need that altcoin rally. We need it. I mean, I need it. Personally, I need it. Okay, DOT can go to somewhere between 13 and 15, $13 and $15. There is a chance that it goes as high as 21, but not guaranteed. This I will have to use other confluences to know if it will happen. You know, if we reach here at the same time with Solana reaching 158-ish, I will call that the top. So it all depends with other confluences that I will have, but this was my analysis for it. Coins that I hold, which I think a lot of you would hold, I will be doing some analysis on them, like you know, individual analysis, not all together like this. We'll just make a very concrete big video and stuff. Okay, maybe I should go now. Let's look at what's next. Jupe. Now Jupe hit my target. Jupe hit my target at that was, I had the target at 46 cents. That thing, and that 46 cents actually is a target that I gave you about a week ago or something. I gave you that target when this thing was still up here, when it was still up around here. And I told you that it's going to go to somewhere between 48 to 46. But I started to buy that thing when it was at 57. I bought again at 51, and I bought again at 46. I think this thing will do well, this Jupe thing. It could easily become a very big exchange in crypto. So yeah, I think it will do well. Although I will sell it when it does well. So I'm not like saying I'm going to hold it until I die. No, I will sell. I will sell it. Yeah, I will sell it as it goes to the upside. Yeah, I will be waiting somewhere around. I will do another analysis for this. I need the chart to develop another higher low, something like a higher low right here. Then I will do some analysis on it. It's putting in something that looks like a topping tail right here. If it can move back to the downside and come back to this zone right here, so if we can see it come back as low as 48, if you didn't buy it, that will be your only chance, actually. At least according to my analysis, I wouldn't have any analysis to suggest that it goes lower than that. If it comes back to 48, that would be a good buy zone, because from there that thing can go like so. If we were to use the trend-based fib, then we can project it like so. So the 4.618 will be an eventual target. That will put it somewhere around 69 cents. So my bags will be inflated with this thing. All right. Thanks so much for being on this boring live event. I don't know if it's boring or interesting. Thanks so much for being here. I will see you in the next one. Stay safe as we navigate our way in this crazy crypto marketplace. If you are not on the YouTube channel, if you're not subscribed to the YouTube channel, do so. Understanding Crypto on YouTube, Telegram, Understanding Crypto, Every Crypto on Twitter. All of the links to these platforms are in the link in my bio. Until the next one, stay safe. Okay, people on YouTube are still here. Yes, let me look at one more coin on YouTube before I go. Hello, can you look at Audi? I was looking at Audi the other day, and I actually would have bought that thing, just that I bought 1,000 sats in place of Audi. These are inscriptions. Oh god, that thing has rallied tremendously. Wow. with a very good chart. I mean, with a very good chart. So you could see that your RD thing go to $100 easily. 83 will be your next resistance, and then you have an eventual target of $100 for RD. That's possible for RD. Very possible, actually. With this whole Bitcoin rally, Bitcoin inscriptions will do well. I actually made a video the other day. I posted it in my YouTube channel, in my the other YouTube channel, the Understanding Crypto Shorts. I posted it on that YouTube channel, telling you guys that, hey, I think these things will do well as we go closer to the halving. So yeah, total 3 is that total? No, just total outlook. Total outlook. Let's look at total 3, because I did suggest that we go back up on total 3 outlook when everybody was scared. Everyone on earth was scared that we are no longer going to go to the upside. Some people didn't believe me. Oh, why didn't you believe me? God did. That's funny. So yeah, I mean, we're on the same trajectory here. We are going according to plan. So you see that total 3 will most likely be topping out up here. Total 3 is going according to plan. This is something that I made mention of on Twitter. I did share this chart with you when this thing was still down here. Sorry. I did say that, hey, we are here. We could mark this as the top, but not ideally. Ideally, this will be the top. Anywhere around 625 billion. That will be our most likely top, where we come back down to somewhere around here. This will be coming back down to retest this accumulation zone down here. So we will most likely do something like so to retest this accumulation zone before we move to the upside. This is in the event where there is no black swan, because if there is to be a black swan event, this thing will be coming back down to here. This is why I say that if we do move to the upside, I will be taking profits on most of my coins, and I will sell off any coin that I can't hold through a drop. So the likes of Hook, I will sell off that thing. I will sell that thing 100% of it. Yeah. But some coins like LRC, I could hold it. Yeah, I can hold that thing through a drop, because I think it's still going according to plan. Now, when we do go up here, I will update you. If I change my mind, I will let you know. Charts change, we must change as well. Okay, I will see you in the next video, people, in the next live event. Let's look at the total before I go. All right, total. Let's see. Okay, this is total crypto market cap. All right, total crypto market cap should take us to, I did show you this in my previous video, that we could be going for the $2 trillion zone. This can easily be our top, and I didn't even expect that we will go this quick. Honestly, I thought this thing will go in maybe in a month. You know, I didn't expect that this thing will go as quick as it's actually going. I didn't expect it, but for some reason we took off after the video. We just took off. So I think this is still the top. Yeah, this is still the zone that I would expect us to top. This zone right here, I think this could be our top. At the $2 trillion to $2.216 trillion zone, that is the zone where I would be looking for confluences for a top. I have an entire list of things that I think would happen, and I'm just going to show you right here. I don't know if you can see that. No, that's not clear enough. But yeah, there are like some things that I expect to happen. The thing that I would be checking when I would be calling my top would be I will be checking the total crypto market cap for 2.22 trillion to 2.216 trillion. I'll be checking total 3 for 2.618 Fibonacci level, which will equate to somewhere around $600 billion market cap. I will also be checking for Solana to be at somewhere around $158. It could extend higher, but I'll be checking for that. Polkadot should be somewhere around $12 to $14. ICP should be somewhere around 20. What's that? Did I even write that? Somewhere around $18 to $18 to $19. If ICP can go there. And the Solana versus ETH chart, Solana to ETH, should be in the sell right now zone. So this is Solana ETH. This is the sell right now zone that I mean right here. Let's bring this up. So when I will be calling my top, we should be here on the Solana ETH chart. So these are some of the things that I would want to see when we are at the top. Those are some of the things that I intend to find as we go higher. About decentral games, I have not heard about those games, my friend. All right. Thanks so much again. Thanks so much for being on the live. We will be doing more of this. Stay